and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. And if today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. We are so happy to have you here. And my name's Joy. On this channel, we'll be bringing to you latest news and gist. And if you'd like to see more videos from this channel, do go ahead and click on that red button down below, that is subscribing, and turn on that bell notification so you'll be notified anytime we upload videos. You will be the first to hear Bagam and you come and enjoy it. Oh my god. So in this particular video, I am going to be watching with you. So with that being said, let's get into the video.
Good morning and welcome to this special edition of my presentation. I call today's presentation a special one because of what we want to do today, what we want to achieve and what we stand to gain at the end of the day. I will advise my viewers to watch this video with an open mind. If you refuse to watch this video with an open mind, then you will have yourself to blame at the end of the day. I want to introduce the man you are seeing on your screen. The man you are seeing on your screen is Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. He controls over 50 million people all over the world. I call him the Eye of Africa. I call him the Lion of Africa and the Savior of Africa. With him, I am very optimistic that Africa will come out of its backwardness and come to its original settings. With him, Africa is going to have light, and Brim of Light is gradually creeping into Africa with this man you're seeing on your screen in the picture. The man you're seeing on your screen is a well-respected Igbo man that Biafrans respect so much. When he declares lockdown in Southeast, everybody obeys. Not even a bird will come out. Any day he declares a lockdown in the Southeast. In fact, the governors of the southeastern part of Nigeria are afraid of him. They run inside their holes at the mention of his name. That is the man you're seeing on your screen. When he speaks, everybody listens to him. When he gives order, everybody follows him. Presently or currently, the man that I'm just talking about is in DSS custody. And the whole of Southeast is on total lockdown to show solidarity to his illegal, extraordinary rendition from Kenya down to Nigeria. The southeastern part of Nigeria are on lockdown because of his illegal arrest. Now, this man is in DSS custody, and I am concerned. I am worried about him. That is why we are making this presentation. Once again, thank you for joining me. The man you see here is the president of Nigeria. His name is Muhammadu Buhari. He represents the entity called Nigeria. And the man you are seeing here, his name is Nnamdi Kanu. He's the leader of IPOB, the Eye of Africa, and the hope of the common man on the street. He's in DSS custody. And I am worried to know why Nnamdi Kanu, a man of this magnitude, will live wherever he is staying outside the country. Why this man should be kidnapped like that, like an ordinary man, like a common man. I have already advised you to watch this video with an open mind. But if you refuse, then whatever you see, you take. Someone is the reason why this man is in DSS custody. And we have to unravel the person. This is 7 months, still counting, ever since this man, Nnamdi Kanu, is in DSS custody, suffering, detained illegally. And I want to know why. What happens to the organization that is supposed to protect the movement of Nnamdi Kanu? The fact that Nnamdi Kanu could leave Kenya or anywhere he is, illegally kidnapped, adopted by the government of Nigeria, means that the organization, IPOB, is porous. And question must be asked. Somebody must be held accountable. Why was Nnamdi Kanu kidnapped from Kenya easily? I have listened to everybody's opinion. I watched or listened to people's opinion with keen interest. I did my research, I asked questions. I asked people questions. This is 5 months I brainstormed, and I have gathered my hypothesis to unravel who sold Nnamdi Kanu out to the enemy. If up till now you are still doubting that Nnamdi Kanu was not sold out, then you are not an intelligent man or woman. When the news broke out that Nnamdi Kanu was adopted, kidnapped from Kenya to Nigeria, people reacted differently. Some people were crying. Some other people were rejoicing. Now there are some concerned Nigerians that faulted the government of Nigeria why they did what we call misplacement of priority. These concerned Nigerians are human rights activists. They are not Igbo men or women. They are not even Biafrans. They are just concerned people. Why the federal government of Nigeria will go after Nnamdi Kanu when there is hunger crisis in Nigeria, when there is security crisis in Nigeria? Why take Nnamdi Kanu case as a top priority when the Boko Haram in the north are ravaging the north and bandits? When Fulani herdsmen are in the east perpetrating acts, why are you going after Nnamdi Kanu? These people are concerned. They raise the lamb. That is where I want us to clear the air. Like I said, I have gathered my hypothesis, and I want to discharge. What we are going to say here or do here does not have a concrete evidence. I am only brainstorming for 5 months. I don't want you to point fingers at anyone, and I am not going to point fingers at anyone. We are only here to ask questions, sensitive questions. And I also want you to ask questions, not to apportion blame to anyone or point fingers. These people said that the federal government of Nigeria adopted Nnamdi Kanu. And this is a make-believe picture. That is what I call it. People are queuing into that story and believing that the government of Nigeria adopted him. The government of Nigeria does not have hand in Nnamdi Kanu's illegal adoption. They might somehow, they might also be involved, but they are not the ones that sold Nnamdi Kanu out. I said we are going to unravel the person that sold him out. Just pay attention. Open your mind and welcome the truth, because it's going to hit you like a rock. When you say that these people kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu, you are giving the government of Nigeria credit, and they don't deserve it. The government of Nigeria, as far as I'm concerned, does not have what it takes to go after Nnamdi Kanu. They don't have the human resources. They don't have the facilities. They don't have the manpower to adopt Nnamdi Kanu. When you say that the government of Nigeria went after Nnamdi Kanu, you are saying that they have what it takes. They don't deserve it. Don't give them such honor. Don't give them such credit. They don't have what it takes to go after Nnamdi Kanu. You are trying to say that they did underground search. They did underground work to find Nnamdi Kanu's location. No. Do you know why I said that? Before Nnamdi Kanu's adoption, I don't think Nnamdi Kanu was wearing body tracker. Nnamdi Kanu was not having any chip inside his body. Nothing to dictate his location. So how is it possible that the government of Nigeria located Nnamdi Kanu's location and adopted him? Not possible. Now, this is where I want us to solve a puzzle. This is, at this juncture, I want us to do arithmetic, mathematics, using our brains. I said Nnamdi Kanu was sold. If you still insist that the government of Nigeria did it, I understand your claim. Before Nnamdi Kanu's illegal adoption, there is this video that was circulating online. I think some Arewa boys or Hausa boys, they placed a bounty on Nnamdi Kanu, that anybody that finds Nnamdi Kanu will get 100 million naira. I can understand that is why some people are still believing that the government of Nigeria adopted him. No. That is just what they used to distract you a little. They don't have a hand in it. They don't have the capacity. They don't deserve such. They don't have tracker. Nothing is working in that country. They can't do it. Someone sold this man out, and we want to know who the person is. Who did this? Who sold Nnamdi Kanu out? If the government of Nigeria went on their own to do the research to get Nnamdi Kanu out, do you think that if they find Nnamdi Kanu, they are going to spare him? Do you think that if the government of Nigeria manages to trace Nnamdi Kanu's location, that they are going to allow him to breathe the next day? Don't forget that this government does not obey court order. This government does not value human life. This government does not like peace, fairness, and equity. They said that they brought him down to Nigeria to face his charges. Do you believe that? Don't forget that this same government said or claimed that Nnamdi Kanu facilitated the people that destroyed the Lagos state during or after EndSARS protest. This same government claimed that Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist, that IPOB is a terrorist organization. The same government is angry that Nnamdi Kanu is exposing a lot of things in their government. This same government is angry that Nnamdi Kanu is calling for the separation of Nigeria. Now think, I want you to brainstorm. Just do the puzzle, think deeply. How is it possible that this same government will see the man that, according to them, he is the reason why Nigeria is going into serious anarchy? And this government will see Nnamdi Kanu, trace Nnamdi Kanu, track him down to his location, and allow him to see the light of the next day. Do you think that is possible? It is not possible. If they had tracked Nnamdi Kanu down, the story would have changed. The story you are hearing now is not what will be told. You could have woke up and hear that Nnamdi Kanu was found dead. God forbid. That Nnamdi Kanu has been killed by unknown people. God forbid, I don't wish it for Nnamdi Kanu. Don't forget I said we are solving a puzzle and we are gathering hypotheses. We are not blaming anybody. We are only brainstorming. I personally believe that if they had found him, don't forget they called him a terrorist. When you see a terrorist, what will you do? You shoot at sight. If they had seen Nnamdi Kanu, searching Nnamdi Kanu alone, they would not allow him to, personally believe they would not allow him to see the light of the next day. Someone close to Nnamdi Kanu sold him out. A man he eats and drinks with. Somebody that he believes and trusts. The fact that Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of IPOB does not mean that he's not vulnerable to someone. He's a human being. He's prone to make mistakes. He's prone to believe people. There are some people that Nnamdi Kanu believe. Those people knows his artillery. They knows his routes. They knows everything that he does. Those are the people that sold him out. And for what reason? Don't forget we said we are going to unravel the person. I hope you've understood what we try to explain here. That these people does not have what it takes to go after Nnamdi Kanu. Someone sold him out here. And those people are from Igbo extraction. Ndibo. Forget these people. Let us leave them. We know they have their own problem. Let's concentrate on our people. Someone Nnamdi Kanu trusted did this to him. Someone he trusted, he valued the person. He tell the person his whereabouts. The person did this. Someone strike a deal here. Someone gave Nnamdi Kanu out, his location. And this is what played out. Don't forget that we are still brainstorming. He gave Nnamdi Kanu out because of Igbo presidential election. You all will agree with me that Nnamdi Kanu have influence over people. When he sits down in Radio Biafra and starts telling people not to vote in that election, nobody will come out to vote. And Nnamdi Kanu is going to be a distraction in that 2023 election. That is why they had to take him out of the picture. And the person that sold him out instructed them, you must not kill Nnamdi Kanu. If you kill him, I'm going to raise alarm. If you kill him, I am going to tell the world that you killed him. You can torture him. Bring him down to Nigeria to face his charges. Make sure that he's in DSS custody or prison or anywhere for as long as you people want to do what you are doing. But please don't kill him. Spare him. If it was these people that caused Nnamdi Kanu, tell yourself the truth. The story will never be the same. Igbo man or woman, it might be Igbo man or woman, I'm not pointing fingers at anybody. But the person that sold Nnamdi Kanu is either a man or a woman. Sold him out for a plate of jollof rice and afano. For a plate of jollof rice and roundabout or towel food. Because of food, somebody sold his brother. Somebody sold her brother because of food. That person is watching me now. He or she knows that this is what he or she did. They sold him out. These people don't have a hand. They don't have a hand. These are the people that gave us this artillery. There are questions you're supposed to ask yourself. Of all the countries of the world, why did Nnamdi Kanu choose Kenya to go treat himself? Why did he choose Kenya? I want to ask the leadership of IPOB one question. What happened to Nnamdi Kanu's security? I thought that a leader of this magnitude, a man of this magnitude, whenever he's going from one country to another, there is protocol that is supposed to be observed. People are not even supposed to come around him. For him to live from one country to another, the security in that country is supposed to be on standby. Why was it easy to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu? Somebody must be held accountable. Because you people don't have sense, that is why you don't want to hold anybody accountable. Somebody must be held accountable. Because of your laziness. Because of your laziness, that is why the East is on lockdown. Do you know that business have moved from Onitsha to Asaba? The fact that Igbo man is showing solidarity to Nnamdi Kanu does not mean that they love to shut their business down for a very long time. That is not fair on Igbo, for people that love to make money. Somebody, because of a plate of rice, greed and selfishness, because of what you stand to gain, you sold your brother out and your brother is in DSS custody suffering. This man is in a confined place where he has limited access to life, where he has limited access to water and food, and somebody did it. Someone that he trusts, somebody he believes, someone that he shares food and drink with, someone that knows his artillery, someone that knows his movement. We have to start telling ourselves the truth. Moment of truth. Who sold Nnamdi Kanu out? Why did you sell him out? How will someone protect Boko Haram and bandits? But an Igbo man comes here, sell his brother for a plate of afanu. Unfortunately, Nnamdi Kanu surrounded himself with some people that are fake. Ifajuna of our time. This man is very passionate about liberating Africa and liberating Biafrans. But there are people around him that are fake. He trusts the people, believing that with these people we are going to liberate the people. But he never knew that those people are snitchers. They are snitching on him. They sold him out. They intentionally gave his location out. And they instructed that this man would not be killed. That is why Nnamdi Kanu is still standing. They tell you, we don't want to kill him. I don't pray for that. I'm not even bringing that in the picture, but you know we are trying to say something here. Someone close to him did this to him, and the person will never go scot-free. Not all the people shouting Biafra, Biafra, IPOP are genuine people. Most of them are fake. They are out there because of the momentum Biafra agitation is getting. And don't forget, before I go into that, these people created this man. The federal government of Nigeria created this man. Without these people, this man will not be in the limelight. He will not be in the picture. Because these people are incapacitated. That is why he's always antagonizing them. Because these people failed. These people are monumental failure. These people are a total disaster to what governance, to what a nation should stand for. And because of that, this man came up, gathered followers, gained momentum, and people followed him because they only see him like, this is the only hope they have remaining. They failed. They created Nnamdi Kanu. These people you see here, they created Nnamdi Kanu. They created this man you see here. These people created this man. Without these people, the failure of these people, these people are a total disaster. Without them, you will not see this man. They created this man. And our Igbo people now use that opportunity to sell their own brother. That is why this man is suffering. They shout Biafra, IPOP, IPOP. They are only looking for money. Give them money, they will stop talking. You see them shouting. You think they are doing it with their hearts. They are not genuine people. Not all those that call Father, Father shall see the kingdom of God. I asked the leadership of IPOP another question. How did Nnamdi Kanu manage to leave your location for 8 days in captive? And you did not raise alarm. You did not make a distress call. Do you know because of that common mistake, this man is suffering for what he doesn't know about? This man is suffering because of your cowardice. This man is suffering because of your laziness. This man is suffering because of your non-talent attitude. I tell you the truth to your face and nothing will happen. I tell you the truth. Somebody must be held accountable for your incompetence. I talk to the state government. Why won't I talk to you? And somebody must be held accountable. Your incompetency, your laziness and your docility is the reason why this man is in DSS custody suffering. IPOP organization, I'm asking you, why did you allow such thing to happen? Why? Why did you allow this man to be suffering? Do you know that because of that, a lot of people have died? when the news broke out, many people took laws into their hands, started destroying things and making life unbearable for people in the Southeast because they are angry that this man was illegally adopted because of you. Why did you make that to happen? You must be held accountable for what you did. Both you or any other person, I don't care who it is that is in the picture, whoever you are that caused this, God will never spare you. That is the truth. Now, this is me advising you. It has happened to Nnamdi Kanu. It can happen to you tomorrow. Don't trust anybody. Nobody should be trusted. As a boss in your office, the people that are working under you are looking for a way to poison you. Don't call anybody your bestie. Nobody is your bestie. Nobody loves you. This person is my bestie. That person is my bestie. Take the case of Nnamdi Kanu as an eye-opener. He trusted a lot of people, believed a lot of people, but they disappointed him. They failed him. That is why he's suffering. They sold him out for a plate of rice. Don't trust anybody in your place of work. Don't trust anybody. Nobody is your friend. Nobody is your best friend. They are looking for a way to take you out of the picture. They are looking for a way to kill you. They are looking for a way to poison you. They don't like you. They don't like your existence. This man is a genuine man. His intentions are right. He's passionate in what he's doing, but he surrounded himself with people that are not passionate, and that is why he's suffering. Don't allow your case to be that case. That person that did this will never go scot-free. What happened to Nebuchadnezzar will be a little thing compared to what happened to you. Because you sold your brother. You told the enemy of your brother, the artillery of your brother. That is why your brother is suffering. You will never go scot-free. I promise you that. I assure you. You will never, ever, ever run away from the wrath of God. Don't believe anybody. Nobody should be trusted. Nobody is supposed to be trusted. Once again, I am shouting to the world. I am telling the world. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu immediately, because it's not the problem of Nigeria. Release this man because he's the eye of Africa. And he's the reason why Africa will come out of this nonsense setting that is not favoring anybody. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu. He's the hope of Africa.
Guys, so that'll be all from us today. And we do hope to see you in our next video. And if you have anything to say about this particular video, go ahead and drop it at the comment section, okay? And we'll get back to you. For now, it's goodbye and stay blessed. Bye.